Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the boldest and most extreme electric SUVs on the market, the 2026 GMC Hummer EV SUV 3X. This is not your typical electric vehicle. It's massive, powerful, futuristic, and built to dominate both the road and the off-road. If you think EVs are just quiet and efficient, this Hummer is here to prove you wrong. Let's start with performance, because this thing is an absolute monster. Under the hood, or more accurately, under the floor, you get a tri-motor all-wheel drive system producing around 830 horsepower. That's insane for an SUV of this size. Even more shocking is how fast it is. The Hummer EV SUV 3X can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.5 seconds thanks to its watts to freedom launch mode. Yes, you heard that right. A massive, over 8,000-pound SUV moving like a sports car. But speed is only part of the story. This vehicle is built for serious off-road capability. One of the standout features is CrabWalk, which allows all four wheels to turn in the same direction, so the SUV can move diagonally. This makes navigating tight trails or tricky terrain much easier. There's also four-wheel steering, which improves maneuverability, especially considering the size of this vehicle. And with adaptive air suspension, you can raise the ride height to tackle rocks, mud, and steep trails without hesitation. For those who want even more capability, there's an optional extreme off-road package that adds skid plates, upgraded tires, and additional underbody protection. Now let's talk about battery and range. The Hummer EV SUV 3X is powered by a massive battery pack that delivers around 300 to 310 miles of range on a full charge. That's impressive when you consider how heavy and powerful this vehicle is. It also supports DC fast charging, so you can quickly add range when needed. Plus, it offers bidirectional charging, which means the Hummer can actually supply power to your home or other electric devices, a very useful feature in emergencies or outdoor adventures. Moving on to design, and honestly, this is where the Hummer really stands out. This SUV looks like it came straight out of the future. It has a bold, aggressive stance with sharp lines and a commanding road presence. Everywhere it goes, it turns heads. One of the coolest design features is the removable infinity roof panels. You can take them off and enjoy an open-air driving experience, almost like a convertible SUV. There's also a one-touch power drop function that lowers all the windows, including the rear glass, adding to that open feeling. Inside, the Hummer EV SUV 3X mixes ruggedness with modern technology. You get a large infotainment system with Google built in, giving you access to navigation, apps, and voice control. There's also Super Cruise, which allows for hands-free driving on compatible highways, making long trips much more comfortable. The cabin is spacious, with plenty of room for passengers and cargo. The materials are durable and designed for adventure, although some people feel it doesn't fully match the premium price tag. So, is the 2026 GMC Hummer EV SUV 3X worth it? If you want one of the most powerful electric SUVs ever made, with incredible off-road capability and a design that stands out everywhere you go, then absolutely yes. But if you're looking for efficiency, affordability, or something compact, this probably isn't the right choice. At the end of the day, the Hummer EV SUV 3X is all about making a statement, and it does that better than almost anything else on the road. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. And let me know in the comments, would you drive the Hummer EV SUV, or is it just too big and too bold for your taste? See you in the next video.